Good day. Today I'm going to be talking about protecting your opportunity on page 14 of our sales manual. Now guys, we have a zero tolerance stance on anyone who puts the opportunity at risk. We do this to ensure we both protect your opportunity and the tens of thousands of people who depend on this opportunity. Integrity breach criteria. The customer does not know what benefits he or she has bought. Information was falsified during the capture in order to enable it to be a captured sale. The customer cannot benefit from the product. The customer does not want the product. The customer does not know what he or she is paying for the product. Now guys, this is all under integrity breach. If the customer does not know what they bought, they will never be a paying customer, and therefore we are not serving the customer and it will not be win-win. If any information was falsified during the capture of the sale, like a cell phone number or signature, guys, that is ultimately fraud. The customer cannot benefit from using this product. Guys, if you are signing up customers on a car product and they do not have a car, guys, your opportunity will come to an end. The customer does not want the product. We all know how good our agents are at overturning the customer. Guys, if the customer does not want the product and you are forcing them to sign up, that is an integrity breach. Substance abuse. The Unlimited has a zero tolerance for drug or alcohol abuse. In the event that you are found to be using or in the possession of drugs and alcohol while representing the Unlimited, your contract will be immediately cancelled. Existing customers. Guys, under no circumstances are you allowed to suggest to an existing customer that he cancels his current product and takes out a new product with you. We do not do that, because imagine how you would feel if another agent is having customers cancel your product, taking food from your table and just putting it on their table. That's not within our values. You must refer the customer to customer care if he or she has any queries. Data protection and rules. The only data you are lawfully allowed to use is data that we supply you with, that we load onto the dialers, or referral data that you've obtained from people you have spoken to from our call center. Under no circumstances are you allowed to use data obtained from any other source, public or private, other call centers or social networks. If you use data obtained from other sources, you are acting unlawfully, and the Unlimited will lay criminal charges against you. And guys, who wants court cases? Who wants to be blacklisted or even yet going to spend some jail time? Furthermore, under no circumstances are you allowed to remove any data from any location, including data in notebooks, referral sheets. If you do any of these things, your contract will be cancelled. You must shred all customers' information daily. Behavior. You must always act professionally. You must never use a person's name as a referral unless you've spoken to them yourself. That's for telesales. You cannot say you spoke to one of their friends or use or name drop their name if you never had any communication with them. Put the phone down on a customer. For example, when you can't answer a customer's query, drop the phone. That shows no phone etiquette. Flirt with customers. Guys, under no circumstances do we flirt with customers to get the sale. Become aggressive with the customer. Swear or use offensive language. Guys, remember, in some instances, the customer is always right. And if you're going to act unprofessionally, you will unfortunately be sacrificing your opportunity.